Hi everyone, welcome to GoWISE. My name's Hailey and I'm one of the graphic designers here. Today we're going to make some spinach egg cups, keeping in the theme of the Mediterranean diet. Because we loved it so much last week, so we're going to continue with it and keep you on track for your summer bod. So, step one is we have to chop this down as fine as we possibly can. If you have a food processor, you can use that. We are using our blender. This is the high performance blender, so we'll see how this goes. We'll add a little bit of water and we'll add some more spinach as well. So we do want it to look kind of like a spinach dip or a soup. So we have reached it. Just dump it back in the bowl. That looks healthy. I would only use 2 eggs. I know, I read the recipe and I was like, 2 eggs is nothing. But these are going to be mostly consisting of spinach. So keep that in mind. So this is ricotta. About a half cup of ricotta. You can add more if you'd like. You can also use non-fat cottage cheese if you'd like as well. But I like ricotta better, so that's what I went with. And we're also gonna add some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna save a little bit for topping. Some garlic. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper each. Okay, so the next step that we need to do is take one of our silicone muffin tins, which you can actually find in our accessory kits. These we sell with 10 pieces. So go get it. We're just gonna do a quick spritz. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spoon these into our tins. And you can go all the way to the top if you'd like. These aren't gonna rise or anything, so you don't have to worry about them spilling over too much. This is our 7-quart air fryer. Newest, greatest. This is one of my favorites. These are going to fit just right into the middle. You're going to keep the crisper tray in so that the air can circulate underneath. Just drop these right in. And we're going to bake them at 350, and we'll try 15 minutes to start. So as I said before, this is our 7-quart model, our newest one. It comes in 4 colors. We have black and silver, black and copper, we have red, and we have mint, which is our brand new one. I love it. I put it in my kitchen, even though it doesn't match, but it's still cute. It has 8 presets that take the guesswork out of cooking. Super easy, super simple. Also comes with these 3 dehydrating or cooking racks. They do fit perfectly inside, but if you do want to use all 3 racks, you do have to remove the crisper tray or else the top rack will get stuck. So if you are keeping the crisper tray, take one of them out. These layers are also interchangeable, so you can move them around. If one top one's getting the most use, if the bottom one's getting the most use, switch them out. Okay, so now that we've reached the 2-minute mark, we're just gonna pop them open. And I'm gonna just sprinkle some cheese and let it go. All right, moment of truth. Those are really good. So it's definitely mostly spinach. The saltiness of the cheese and the garlic, they all work really well together. It doesn't look great, but it tastes really good. The only change that I would make is maybe don't add any water when you're trying to puree the spinach down, because it just makes it a little soupy, but it still tastes good. So thank you guys for joining me. This is another lesson in looks can be deceiving. This looks terrifying, but it's delicious and it's healthy and it's super easy to make. So thank you for joining, and I'm gonna probably eat 1 or 2 more of these. Portion control. Have a good one. Bye.